Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you how you can reset the display settings in Windows 11. First, press your Windows key and type settings and you will see the settings option. You can click on it to open settings, or a quick tip for you, a shortcut to open settings is to press the keys Windows and I together and your settings will open automatically. Now go to system and go to display. Here you will see all the display settings. Now I have two monitors attached. So first you can just go here and click on detect other display if you're not seeing any display. And if you don't have another monitor attached, you can just skip this part. Now you might have night light open. That is, if it is turned on, your screen will turn yellow as it might be shown right now in the screen. So turn this off if you have night light on and scroll down in the scale. To set it to your default settings, just click here and here you will see a recommended option. Now click on it and it will be changed to the recommended screen size. So I don't want it here. I just want it to at 125. Now display resolution also, the default is the one that is recommended. So just select the recommended one. And in display orientation, the default is landscape. If you are in portrait or something else, just click on landscape itself. And these are the basic settings. So you have turned on, you have changed the settings to default settings in these three things. Now let's go ahead and reset some graphics driver. So close this and press Windows, Control and Shift plus B together. So it's four things: Windows, Control, Shift and B. Now this will reset your graphics driver without restarting your PC. Okay, so if you did not notice, the screen had turned black, and it means that it had reset the graphics driver without resetting your PC. Again, the keys are Windows, Control, Shift and B together. Okay, now let's check for driver updates and update the graphics driver if you have some issues. So the command is Windows plus X and it will show you these options. Now select device manager. Here you see display adapters. You might see a warning sign in your case because I don't have any issues, so nothing is being shown and I have this adapter. Now you can just right click on it and click on update driver so that your driver is updated. You can just click on search automatically, and if there are any updates, the update will be installed and your display issues might be resolved. Now let's try another advanced setting. Again, press your Windows and I to open settings. Now go to display as we had gone earlier. This time scroll down and click on advanced display. Here you see a bunch of options and the refresh rate is 60 Hz. In your case, you might see a bunch of options available here. I don't have any other option available, so I'm just choosing 60 Hz. And here I have two monitor options. One is my own monitor and one is the display that I have attached. So you can also change the settings that are allowed to change in your secondary monitor by choosing the secondary monitor, but I'll not do that. Now for your internal display, that is my laptop, what I can do is I can just click on it and here you can see a lot of settings here. And in color management, if you have color issues like the color is not being displayed properly, you can click on color management. And here in advanced, choose the system default. Again, choose system default here, and all these settings choose the system defaults so that you are switched to default color settings. Okay, now you can close this and your color configuration should also be fixed. So these are the different options that help you to reset your display settings in Windows 11. If you have issues, let me know in the comments below.